Hi, welcome to Ankala's Journey. We are Liesl and Andy, and we're sailing around the world on our 36-foot hitch-rigged monohull called Ankala. In this episode, we explore the beautiful islands in the Komodo National Park. In Labuan Bajo, we stocked up with food, diesel, and water and explored the area with our friends from the sailing yacht Harry Mary before sailing on to Sebayot Besar, an island in the Komodo National Park where we enjoyed walking up the hill at sunset and snorkeling in the crystal clear water. Dolphins accompanied us as we sailed on through the park to Rinka Island. We had timed our passage so we would have the current with us, and we reached a speed of over 12 knots as we went through the Fadar Passage, which is pretty fast for a little boat like us. Record 12.4 knots. After anchoring the night in a peaceful anchorage on Rinka Island where we saw Komodo dragons and monkeys on the beach, we went on to Pink Beach on Fadar Island. Beautiful place.
Pink Beach.
And then it was time to see the Komodo dragons. We were taken hiking with our guide to see the Komodo dragons in the wild, and we saw several large Komodo dragons. Our last stop in the Komodo National Park was anchoring in an atoll at Makassar Reef, and we went snorkeling where we saw lots of brightly colored fish, cool coral formations, turtles, and a large moray eel. Thanks so much for watching. For more of our adventures, please subscribe to Ankala's Journey. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up. Bye. See you next time.